Hey, it's Jen from Gold Nutrition. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a registered dietitian, the founder of Gold Nutrition, and a planning enthusiast. And today I am very excited to be setting up a half-liter disc-bound notebook for a business class that I'm taking. So if that sounds good to you, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you saw my recent video, I shared a little haul that I got from Jane's Agenda, and a lot of the products that I'm going to be using to set up this notebook are from Jane's Agenda, but I'm also going to be using some things maybe from the Happy Planner and from ARC from Staples. And any products that are from the Happy Planner, I will link below because I'm a Happy Planner affiliate, which means if you shop those links, I make a small commission. If you do that, thank you so much. All right, so this cover is a vellum cover from Jane's Agenda. The discs are rose gold discs from Levenger. This is the box. I bought them off of Amazon, but they did come directly from Levenger. And when I bought them, I thought that I was buying 1-inch discs, but I accidentally bought 3/4 discs, but I'm glad I did. I think that they're going to be a good size for a notebook because, again, this is going to be a notebook that I'm going to use for a 1 month, I think it's 5-week course that I'm taking, and not a planner. So I think it's actually going to be the perfect size. I already threw the discs onto the cover just for the sake of time. But if you're not familiar with how they go, I'll show you. You just, it's really easier if you do one piece at a time. You just pop them on like that. Easy peasy. Okay, so then I have these beautiful dividers that I got from Jane's. These dividers did come as a set of 12, but I only took 4 for in here for now. I might add another one because as I think it through more, I might just delineate each separate week and any information, anything additional beyond my notes that goes with that week, but I'm not 100% certain yet. So for now, I put in 4. They actually repeat. It's a pattern 4 and then it's 4 and then 4, which I put a portion of them in another disc-bound notebook that I use, and so I still have 4 more, but yeah, we'll see. All right, so that's that. For the paper, that's what I got from ARC from Staples because that's what I have always traditionally used. I say traditionally, I mean, it hasn't even been a full year, but I'm madly in love with Discbound now. I don't see myself going back from Discbound for a long time, and I've been using a planner from Staples, an ARC planner. And so at the time that I bought that planner, I bought the paper, which I have 2 styles. I kind of, again, bought this one by accident, good old internet shopping. But I ended up not minding these. I think these are what they call Cornell style note paper. And I had used them actually to take notes for a little seminar, and I kind of liked, I don't know if this is how it's intended, but I kind of liked having this little sidebar to just jot some of my own thoughts next to the notes I was taking from the presenter. So I'm going to put some of these in here. And then I also have regular note paper. And I don't remember what the prices were on these, but very decently priced and not bad quality paper. I mean, not the same quality as, say, like a cloth and paper, which I did a recent review on a cloth and paper inserts. So I will link that up in the cards and down below if you're interested in that. I mean, that's some paper, but it's not bad paper at all. It's fine. So I think I'll pop a little of each. And I also want to decorate some pages. You know, mostly this needs to be functional, but I am a decorative planner and I do want to decorate a little bit of it. But I'm just going to throw some paper in here first. So satisfying. And these are Impressed Manicure nails, which I am an affiliate for Impressed Manicure. I have worn these nails for years, and I was psyched when I found out I could become an affiliate for them. So I will link these down below too if you like them. I think they're really pretty. All right, anyway. Pop, pop, pop. Put this on top. It's kind of one of those things where sometimes it's hard to anticipate what you're going to need until you're like in it, and then you kind of get a better idea of what it is that you know, want, how you want things to be. So look how pretty that is with that divider under that vellum cover. So pretty, right? This is my first time having a vellum cover like this, and it is very pretty. I use a leather, or I think it's faux leather cover for my planner, for my everyday planner. And I think she sells some vellum dashboards like this, and I think I might get one down the line to put into my planner. I didn't this time around though. I wanted to make a little mini vision board for this. If you don't know, I made a wellness vision board for my very first video on this channel, and I will link that one for you up in the cards and down below. And I love my vision board, and you know, a vision board is really meant to be this like visual reminder of, you know, whatever it is you're looking to achieve, and it helps give you the why behind what you're doing. And so I thought I would use this. This is dot grid paper from the colorful Leopard journal from the Happy Planner, which I have a video making that. I'm making my wellness planner out of that journal. I'll link that for you if you're interested in that. And this paper is from there, which is a nice neutral paper, but it's obviously much bigger. So I thought I would cut it down, see if I could make it work. So let's see, it doesn't line exactly, but I think that'll be okay. All right, I'm gonna do this, and I'll do it on camera, but I'm gonna speed through it. Okay, so first I want to make the front just a little decorative piece that is like a symbol for my business. So this is the Flower Power Mega Book from the Happy Planner. And these, these stickers on this side really speak to me. And in particular, this one. So I'm going to get that. I'm going to put that down right here. From the Keleva Plan Floral Neutrals, there are these letters in here, And I'm going to put a G and an N for Gold Nutrition. I don't know if you can get this book anymore. I know I actually bought a second one when she did the restock because I love it so much. And it's so funny because I knew I'd like it. That's why I bought it, but I really didn't know how much I was going to love it. Oh, love it. Love, love, love. All right. These are also from that book, from the Mega Flower Power. I'm going to go like this. Okay, I like that. I think that's pretty. I think I'm going to leave it like that. And then we're going to do a little vision board on this side, which I have this, 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 and this. Maybe like this. I don't know if I like that. This is from the Teresa Collins sticker sheets. And I just have them in these snap-in sticker protectors, which these are pretty cool. These are for a classic size Happy Planner though. Although I was wondering if you could just trim it down, but I don't really have a need for it in this right now, so I'm not going to worry about that. I think I like that. All right, I'm gonna put this together, and then I'll talk to you after I do that. All right, there it is. It went in a different direction than I'd originally anticipated, but I like it. I think it's cute. And just for background, for some reason, whenever I have my vision or do visualization about my future in business, I always see myself in a white suit. I don't know why. It's just my thing. So I had to include a white suit, and the chair is probably not the exact chair I'm going to get, but I need a new office chair, and I just liked this one. So I thought I would include it since I mainly run my business online, and Instagram is a big part of, where I disseminate nutrition information and also partake in the planning community. I had to include a little Instagram symbol, and frankly, 1,000 followers is not necessary to the future of my business, but just a fun thing to imagine. The more people I can reach, then hopefully eventually the more people I can help with what I do, and that's the point. So let's throw it in the notebook. I'm not sure. I might add a little more to this page, but I'm going to leave it for now. It is cute. And then there's the vision board. And then I think I'll just decorate this one first page, and that'll probably, you know, be it for the video today. I think this is in keeping with the mood that I have going on here. This is a little vintage botanicals sticker sheet, and I think this little strip would be cute here. Yeah, it's perfect, actually. Oh, it's perfect. It's like made for that. Put this here. I think I want to put just like a little floral there. Perfect. Ooh, I like this. I'm going to do this every week, I think. Oh, and I have a pen loop that I got, which I've seen these pen loops all over, but oftentimes I only see them in black. I loved that she offered it in white, and there were other colors too. All right, look at that. Very nice. So I got my cover, I got my pretty divider, got my little gold nutrition symbol, which I really haven't nailed down branding yet, you guys. It's all a work in process. My little vision board, I think it's cute, I like it. My little mini vision board for gold nutrition. And my first note page, which is so pretty. I love it. Thanks for joining me on this, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this about nutrition, goal setting, and planning, then please subscribe and join the Goal Nutrition community. I would love that. And I will see you in the next one.